Hi, now in this video we are going to see how to draw an isometric view of a frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. So before drawing that, we'll come to know what is meant by frustum of a pyramid. On the screen you can see that frustum is nothing but when a pyramid or cone cut by a plane parallel to its base, thus removing the top portion, thus the remaining portion is called frustum. On the screen you can see that this is a triangular pyramid and this is a square pyramid, this is a pentagonal pyramid and this is a hexagonal pyramid. When this pyramid is cut by a plane parallel to its base, so this is the base, this is the base, this is the base and this is the base of the pyramids. When a cutting plane is parallel to its base and when it cuts, after cutting, if you remove the top portion, the remaining portion is known as frustum. If you see here, this is the triangular pyramid, just I sliced it here and I removed the top portion and the remaining portion is frustum of a triangular pyramid, frustum of a square pyramid, frustum of a pentagonal pyramid and frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. So a frustum will have two bases, whereas pyramid will have only one base. So based on this we are going to see, see here, that's what in the question they give frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. So first we need to see the hexagonal pyramid having the lower base 40 mm and the top base 25 mm side. See, this is the hexagonal pyramid frustum. The lower base side is 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, whereas upper side 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. So two bases dimension they have given and the height they gave as 60 mm. So now we will see how to draw the frustum of a pyramid. Okay, as you all we know that this is a hexagonal base which is having the non-isometric lines. So to construct a plane or a solid which is having non-isometric lines, we'll go with the rectangular method. So first I am starting with the polygon, number of sides 6, edge method. The lower base is 40. Switch on the ortho. 40, yes. Now I made the lower base 40 and I am going to keep in this one in a rectangular box. Now the lower base of 40 mm side hexagonal base I kept it in the rectangular box, and now the top base is 25 mm side. So again the top base is also in the shape of hexagon. Polygon, 6 sides, edge method, 25 mm side. So this is the top base. Again I am going to keep this polygon in the rectangular method. Yes, now we'll give the dimensions from each and every corner. 34.64, 20, 40, okay, the same will be applicable for this one also. And now we'll give the dimensions for this one, 21.65, okay. Now the bottom base dimensions are ready and the lower base dimensions are ready, and as well as 60 mm height is going on. Now we'll start the isometric view of the frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. Okay, I am switching on the iso draft. Okay, first I am starting the lower base. Take the line F5, iso top. Okay, okay, 20, 40, 20, and now 34.64, 34.64, 20, 40, 20, 34.64, 34.64. Okay, the bottom base is ready. Let us connect all these points. Okay, now the bottom base of the frustum of a pyramid is ready. We will construct the top base. Okay, take the line, 12.5, 25, 12.5, 21.65, 21.65, 12.5, 25, 12.5, 21.65. Yes, now we will connect all these points. Yes, now the frustum lower base is ready, upper base is ready, and now we need to draw the height of the frustum. How? It is 60 mm height, as all we know that a pyramid will have an apex point. All the faces will be connected to an apex point. And now, so to determine the center line, generally we used to draw diagonals, and then we will find out the central point. That is the conventional method. That is conventional method, either using the drafter, scale, pencil, everything. And but we are using the AutoCAD. So instead of drawing all these things, just join all these one, and now you will get a center point. Yes, see, you can see get the center point, because when you join all the lines together, it forms an area. Automatically it gives the center point. Okay, F5. Yes, this is the height of the frustum is 60 mm. Okay, I made the 60 mm because it's a pyramid. A pyramid will have the center one, and all the things will be connected here. So instead of drawing this everything here after constructing this one, now with the help of the AutoCAD facility and the simpleness, just I am selecting everything, move, enter. See here again I am not getting the center point. If you get the center point easily, you can place it here. So that's why again, instead of moving slightly, join, enter. So I am not going to shift completely. Move, select this object. Yes, move it here. See, simply we made it. Now connect all the coordinates to the points. Yes, now the frustum of a hexagonal pyramid is ready. So no need of this one, just deleting this one. Okay, now after constructing everything, just I am giving the color. Okay, actually this should not be the colored one. Because always it should be thin, because it's for construction purpose, so we should not give the color. Okay, now when we see from this direction, we need to mark or sketch the visible part and the invisible part. So before making the visible and invisible, we'll load the line types. Load. Center to is to mark the axis of the pyramid. Dash it to is to mark for the hidden lines. Okay, as all we know that this is an axis of the frustum, center to, perfect. And now we will mark the hidden lines. When we observe from this direction, see, it's a completely a polygon segment. Now I am going to remove it using the command explode, expl, enter. See, when I explode, it makes into the fragments. So this one and this one and this one and this one, this one. When you see from this one, this direction, these three base edges and these three slant edges are invisible to our eye. So just dash it to line. Already extra line is there, so that's why dash it to. Yes, now this is perfectly a frustrum and we defined everything, and we can give the notations. So before giving the notations, first I will give the dimensions. Dimension aligned. This is the bottom, sorry, upper base length, and then this one is the lower base one, 40, and now this is the height of the frustum. Okay, so this dimension we need to make it parallel to the line. So using the command dim edit, DED, enter, choose the oblique, select that both the dimensions, enter, because I selected both the dimensions because both the things should be parallel to this plane, isoplane. So that's why at a time I made it parallel, 25 and 40, and now dimension edit, oblique, enter. So now I am making in this direction. Yes, it's too long, make it near. Yes, perfectly we made the frustrum of hexagonal pyramid. Let us move it to center perfectly. It looks good. Move. Yes, see, the frustrum base rests on HP and the hexagonal pyramid frustrum is ready. So this is all about the frustrum of a hexagonal pyramid. The similar process you can follow for the triangular pyramid, square pyramid and pentagonal pyramid. Just draw the upper base dimension and the lower base, just follow the same procedure. That's it.